Hey guys, I've got a new way you can get website visitors today, and not only that, this one will also give you entrepreneur ideas and entrepreneurial motivation. So if you're stuck for ideas or motivation, you're in the right place too, in addition to all the website traffic you'll get. So let's go to SimilarWeb so we can decide if this platform is right for you. Let me say this is one of the best traffic sources, one of the best networks I've ever used. You'll see why in a second. You've got to use this. This is going to become one of the cornerstone websites that we use. So let's go to SimilarWeb. Decide for yourself if this is the kind of thing that is right for your business. So the global rank of this platform is 76,000. The country rank, United States, is 37,000. But if we have a look at the traffic overview, here you can see that it gets 700,000 up to 800,000. It's around the 720,000 visitors per month mark. So it's a massive source of traffic. It's a hugely popular website. I'm going to run you through how to use it in a second. But if we look at this is really interesting. So the traffic by countries is exactly what we want to be seeing. This is the most profitable traffic to have. So 34% from the United States, 8% from the UK, 4% from Canada, 4% from Germany, 4% from India. So these top three countries are the most profitable types of traffic to have. So let's go down to traffic sources. Here you can see that 65% is direct, 6% from referrals, 23% from search, so it's getting found in search engines. This is really good for us. 3% from social media, 1% from mail, and 0.1% from display ads. So this tells us that the traffic is pretty much organic. So let's have a look at the search traffic. Of that 23%, 100% is organic. And this means that we're going to get, so it's organic traffic that's from the most profitable countries. So that's a really solid, sound platform to start using. So it means the traffic that you siphon from this website, if you choose to use it in that way, and I'll show you how in a second, but if you choose to use this website, that's the type of traffic you can expect to receive from it. So let's go to SimilarWeb, not SimilarWeb, Rank 2 traffic, sorry. So here you can see how the traffic is increasing every month. So it starts down here, 300,000 visitors a month, which is still huge. Hey, if you have a website that's got 300,000 visitors a month, you'll be pretty pleased with that. But look at this. We've got these big spikes in traffic, and you can see it's ascending upwards. So it's going right up to around 600,000, 700,000 visitors a month. Amazing. And then if we have a look over the last 6 months, you can see that it's pretty consistent. So this tells us that the traffic and the network, the website is stable. It's going to be a good, reliable source of traffic and source of entrepreneur ideas and motivation and all that good stuff. Let's go to the website. Let's use it. So this is the website, indiehackers.com, indiehackers.com if you're on the podcast. So you might be struck by how similar this looks to the Reddit app. So before we start using it, let's just take a minute to have a look at what it's all about. So here it says, welcome. We're founders helping each other start profitable businesses and share our stories. So as you can see, this is for people just like us. So this is for entrepreneurs, and it is full. It's packed with entrepreneur ideas and entrepreneur motivation, as well as the traffic that you can siphon from it as well in a legal and ethical way. Stress that. I want to stress it really clearly that if you're going to use this website, do not spam. This is a community of people just like you. They're decent, hard-working people, and they don't They don't need to be spammed. I'm pretty sure that the admins ain't going to tolerate that level of abuse on the site. So I'm going to show you how to use it properly. And if you use it properly, you will get a lot of traffic from this site. So I'm going to show you how to do it properly. My favorite approach in marketing is the do it for real approach, because that's the one that works. So here we can see that people are posting very frequently on this website. So we can choose to list the content by top, month, or time. Let's go to newest, so you can see exactly how active this website is. It's awesome. It's full of activity. So look at this. 3 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago, 22 minutes ago, an hour, 2 hours ago. This is an active website. You can see that the community is really jumping here. And if you have a look at the actual content, so here is what are the top 3 things you absolutely need for remote interviews. Remote interviews, people work from home, right? Office hours. Then we've got, why 90% of startups fail and how you can save yours. This is valuable content. So if we have a look at that, you can see that this person is linking to possibly their own website. So let's have a look at the link itself. Let's inspect the element to see if it's a no follow or a do follow. I really don't know. So it's a no follow. That's okay, because we need a mix of both, don't we? Because if you have 100% do follow links, that looks really unnatural to Google. I think, well, they're probably trying to manipulate the search rank. So it's good to have a mix of no follow and do follow in there as well. So that one is a no follow link. That's okay. Let's have a look at what else has been posted on here. So designing, naming, kick fund, lots of ideas to help solve my biggest problem, money and time. This is for entrepreneurs. But let me show you something else. So we've got the community, which looks amazing. It's one of the best communities for marketers and entrepreneurs that I have ever discovered. Okay, so that in itself is gold. So we can get traffic from it that way. But also, if we look at the top navigation here, check this out, interviews. So they do entrepreneur interviews. And as you can see, it's updated all the time. So they're speaking with, let's have a look. So they're choosing entrepreneurs to reveal their secrets. There you can see it's in text format. So an entrepreneur is running through their business, how they formed the business, the hurdles that they encountered. And you can also drill down even further. So you can order it by business model, monthly revenue. So if you only want to learn from people who have made, let's say, over $1 million a month, then you'll be able to do that too. Let's say you want to earn, I don't know, let's say 10K a month. Sounds like a realistic figure, an achievable figure. So let's say 10K a month. Then you're going to learn from entrepreneurs who have achieved exactly that. So you're going to get loads of ideas and inspiration there too. But it doesn't stop there. If we go to podcast, here they've got more ideas and motivation for entrepreneurs in the podcast. So entrepreneur podcasts. And there's a lot. There's heaps. And this is all before we've even created an account. We've got more. So they arrange meetups so you can network, meet other entrepreneurs and marketers. You can see products, what people are selling and working on at the moment. Articles. What else we got? Store. You can buy merch from these guys. So if you want an Indie Hackers t-shirt, you can get one. Stories. So look at their Instagram. There you go. So they post pictures and quotes from entrepreneurs here as well. So that's going to give you a lot of inspiration if you follow them on Instagram. And then this is where it gets really interesting for us. Contribute. You can share your knowledge and experiences. And it invites you to write an article or begin an interview. So you can be featured on here. Imagine how much traffic you're going to get from this platform if you contribute an article or if you're featured in an interview here. It's pretty good, right? So I don't know about you, but I'm really impressed with this platform. So there's a lot we can do here. It seems to have covered all the bases. In fact, I'm going to show you something else that you can do. You can actually make money from this platform. I'm going to show you how to do it. So if we go sign up, I've already got an account, but let's say we're going to create a brand new account from scratch. I'll actually delete it when I'm done, I think. So let's go. I'm going to call this Profit Copilot. I'm going to click next. Oops. Username can only contain letters, numbers, and underscores. That's okay. Let's go underscore. Click next. Email address. Let me fill that in. There we go. So now it's saying stay up to date with your fellow indie hackers. Excuse me. So C.S. Allen, that's Kirtland, who started this website. I think he's still in charge of running it. So we can follow lots of people here. I'm just going to click save and continue. So I'm going to follow those people that are recommended. Where do you live? So I'm going to put Lancaster. I'll be impressed actually if it has Lancaster, UK. Yeah, it does actually. Okay. What's your Twitter handle? Profit Copilot. Why are you joining Indie Hackers? Show you goals. And look here, it's giving us an example of what to put. So it lets us put a website address in here too. So we're going to take advantage of that, aren't we? So we're going to go to profitcopilot.com. So, hi, I'm Mick and I run profitcopilot.com. I have 20 years experience in digital marketing and I've worked with some of the biggest names online. Now I'm going to show you what works so you can build a profitable business too. Okay, I'm gonna click. Okay, great, and there we have an account made. So if we go to the actual account, there you can see that we've got the website link there. Let's check again if this one is a no follow or a do follow. This one is a no follow. That's okay. Let me show you something else you can do with this website that you might be really interested in. So if we go to products, okay, so if we go to more products, look at this, you can add your product. So if you're selling something, you can add the name of your product there, describe it in a few words, that will become the tagline, and then link to your product. So you can put the URL of your sales page there. How amazing is that? This is absolutely cool, but it doesn't stop there. So you can add products there and sell them through this platform. But what if you don't sell products? What if you're a CPA marketer or an affiliate marketer? What if you're looking for offers to promote? Well, have a look at this. So we can choose business model. We've got free, advertising, affiliate, commission, subscription-based, transactional. So look at this. So there, I assume we're going to have lots of affiliate offers here that we can promote. I haven't drilled down into this too deeply at the moment, but on the surface it looks really solid, Really impressed with this. You can choose by monthly revenue. You can choose subscription based. So if you want reoccurring income. If I'm using this right, I mean, on the surface, this looks, it looks so powerful. I'm really genuinely impressed with this. And this is why I'm recommending this website for you today. So not only are you going to get website visitors from it, it's going to give you entrepreneur ideas and entrepreneur motivation. What more can you ask for, really? Well, we could ask for more traffic sources, right? You need lots. So if you go to profitcopilot.com/traffic, I'm going to show you how to get unlimited traffic sources that are highly targeted for your niche. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel too, hit the little notification bell so you never miss an update from me, and I will see you again in a couple of days' time. Take care, guys.